energy to work. Our car gets energy from burning petrol or diesel. Similarly, humans also need energy to work, study, and play. We get this energy from food. Food is the fuel for our body because it gives us energy. Food performs many important functions. Food gives us energy, helps us grow, repairs damaged body parts, and makes our bones and muscles strong, keeps us fit and healthy.
Components of food. Our food consists of nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Balanced diet. The food we eat daily is called our diet. For good health and proper growth, it is important to have a balanced diet. A diet that contains the right amount of all the necessary nutrients, water and roughage is called as balanced diet. Digestion. The food that we eat cannot be absorbed directly by the blood. It needs to be digested. Digestion is a process in which the complex food we eat is broken down into simple, soluble substances which our body is able to use. These simple, soluble substances can be absorbed by the blood. What happens to the food? 1.
Inside the mouth. When we eat food, our sharp biting teeth in the front cut it, while our flat grinding teeth at the back grind it. A digestive juice called saliva gets mixed with the food. It converts starch into sugar. Hence, the food becomes sweet in taste. From the mouth, the food goes into the stomach through the food pipe.
2. Inside the stomach. Our stomach is like a bag of muscles. Here the food is churned and mixed with several digestive juices produced by the walls of the stomach. These juices further break the food. 3. Inside the small intestine. From the stomach, the food is pushed into a long, coiled tube called small intestine. More digestive juices from the liver and the pancreas are added here. These juices mix with the food and convert it into simple, soluble substances. The process of digestion is now complete. Mouth. Teeth chew and grind the food. Saliva changes starch into sugar. Food pipe carries food from mouth to stomach.
Liver secretes digestive juice called bile that helps in digestion of fats.
Stomach. Food is churned and mixed with the digestive juices. Small intestine. Digestion is completed and food is absorbed.
Pancreas secretes digestive juices in small intestine that help in digestion of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins.
Long intestine. Absorption of water takes place here. Anus. Undigested solid waste is passed out as stool. The blood vessels in the walls of the small intestine absorb the digested food. The blood now takes the food to different parts of the body. The undigested food that is not absorbed goes into the large intestine. 4. Inside the large intestine. The large intestine is much wider and shorter than a small intestine. It absorbs water from the food waste.
This water goes to the kidneys and from the kidneys goes out of the body as urine.
The remaining solid waste goes out of the body as stool.
Body needs glucose. Chew a piece of bread for some time. It tastes sweet. Why? It tastes sweet because the digestive enzymes present in the saliva break down some of the carbohydrates in the bread into a simple substance called maltose. Maltose ultimately converts into glucose after digestion. Glucose is sweet in taste and makes the food taste sweet. Our body converts glucose into energy that we use to perform various activities. So, glucose is a source of energy for our body. During sporting events, players are given a glass of glucose water, glucose dissolved in water, to give them instant energy. When a person is suffering from dehydration or weakness due to illness, stress, or surgery, a glucose solution is directly injected into the patient's blood through a drip. This is called glucose drip. It gives instant energy to the patient.